Hello and welcome to That's the Point. This is the best place to learn about the ins and outs of Trimble construction technology. My name is Corey Meyer, joined by my busy colleague, Jonathan Stickle. What's up, man?
Glad to be here.
I'm glad to have you. So today we're heading back into Trimble Connect because we're getting some questions about how to view layout points and perform measurements within the web interface, specifically as it pertains to maybe layout points and then also model geometry. We've covered a lot of topics related to Connect over the past several months. And so I think we're just going to take the next step here.
Yeah, we definitely have, and this is actually a cool feature that's often overlooked, and users might not even know that this functionality exists within Connect.
Yeah, and we're starting with a layout project that is synced up in Trimble Connect. So we're using that sync in both the office and the field, and we have a ton of videos, related, and so we're going to link those right down below in the description. But to just set the table on this video, Jonathan, you have a project with both geometry and layout points loaded in. So I guess we can just go ahead and take a look.
Yeah, all right, so let's go ahead and dive into Trimble Connect, and this is the main dashboard once you log in. And we have this project here that we uploaded a couple weeks ago in one of our past videos, so we'll go ahead and select that project. Up here to the right, if we click on this 3D tab, we can kind of view the project that we have in here. We'll go to models, and there's this kind of visibility feature. We'll just go ahead and unlock that, and that'll display the model for us. And then if we want to see any points within that model, we'll just go ahead and uncheck, drop down this, and uncheck here, and now we can see any points that are loaded within the model. So if we grab our mouse, hold down on the mouse, and we can kind of move the model around a little bit, we can see some points and things that are laid out. But if we want to get a better view, we can click on this drop down of model view options, and there's several different options that you can choose from to get a better look.
Yeah, and we're going to pull up like the normal isometric views, like top, front, side.
Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and select on this top view, and then just zoom in a little bit. And so if I want to take some measurements between points that are collected, maybe on these columns per se, I can come up to this measurement options drop down. We'll do a perpendicular measurement, and then we'll just select a couple points here to get some measurements to verify.
Yeah, so just like going column to column, that kind of thing.
And that'll lock that in there. If we want to drill down, there's even some hanger points on here as well if we want to double check those.
So yeah, that's the awesome part about this is so you have your model geometry coinciding with your layout points there. So you can easily quick QA/QC whether you're in the office or the field, anywhere that you have an internet connection, obviously, when you're syncing with Connect like this.
Yeah, it's very easy to do. If you wanted to like lock these measurements in place, you could go ahead and check done here. If you did not, you could just click this trash can. It'll delete those measurements from there.
Very cool.
So,
I mean,
it's very simple.
Yeah, and I mean, with this process, you can use Connect to stay in the loop between the office and the field, which is a ridiculously powerful capability. And we're talking about seeing exactly what's happening on your project anywhere in the world. So very, very cool functionality. And of course, if you have additional questions or you need some assistance, your local building right representative is ready to lend a hand. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks, and pointers. Jonathan, thanks for driving today.
Absolutely. Glad I could help.
You're a good driver. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on That's the Point.